Hi, here is the demo to show you how to publish your article to Matters website through Litecoin WordPress plugin. After that, you can also share the content and receive rewards in Litecoin mobile app. This is a very convenient way for journalists to use this plugin to publish stories to Matters website and store those content on IPFS simultaneously. IPFS is a protocol and peer-to-peer network for storing and sharing data in a distributed file system. In other words, journalists will be able to distribute content in an immutable way. So now let's get started. First, you have to download the Litecoin plugin to your WordPress website. And after you have installed the plugin, you will see in your WordPress admin panel. On the left-hand side, under Litecoin, you will see a new option called the Publish setting. And this is the option to publish your articles to Matters. And then you have to log in with your Matters ID, fill those in, and then press Login. The next step is to make sure you have logged in successfully. Underneath the connection status, there are two options for you to choose before you publish to Matters. First is to auto-save draft. Second is to auto-publish posts. We'll suggest you to go with the first option because when you auto-save draft to Matters, you'll have the space and time to edit before it actually got published. If you go with the second option, it will auto-publish your post and you will not be able to edit once it is published. And now I will go to one of the drafted posts that are already scheduled. I will just add a space here so the system knows that I already update my blog post. And then I will click Updates. Now I will jump to my draft in Matters. Refresh it, and you will see the draft is already synchronized. You can see it pretty much copied the whole layout, but you may want to remove some of the footer that is from WordPress and also add the cover photo and hashtag for the Matters community. Now the article is published on Matters.news. And under the topic, there is a IPFS section, which is the distributed entry of the article. And as mentioned, all articles there on Matters will be uploaded to IPFS. And when you click into this section, you will see the content fingerprint of this article, which is a unique ID, and you will be able to retrieve the content on the network by this ID. And underneath, you can see there are 15 public notes, which is the alternative links to this article. They are all entry point to this article on the web. Last but not least, you can see the Litecoin reward button on every article in Matters.news. You can press up to 5 times to reward the content creators. And when you press on the 6th time, you will enable the Super Like feature, which will share the content directly to the Litecoin mobile app. When you open the Litecoin mobile app, you will see today's headline. All content here are shared by the people you are following. When you go to the Super Like World feed, you can discover new content shared by the people in the network. For the content that I just shared, you can also see it appears at the top of the feed.